Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a stablecoin issuer with CoinMarketCap, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify a stablecoin issuer with CoinMarketCap, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter the name of the stablecoin you want to verify. Select the stablecoin from the search results to access its dedicated page. On the stablecoins page, look for the issuer section. This section typically provides details about the organization behind the stablecoin. Take note of the issuer's name and other relevant information. Next, locate the official website link for the issuer provided on the CoinMarketCap page. Click on the link to open the issuer's official website in a new tab. Explore the website to verify the legitimacy of the organization. Check for key indicators such as regulatory compliance and company transparency. Look for official documents or reports that outline their business operations. Research the stablecoin issuer on reputable news sources or financial analysis websites. Assess any reviews or testimonials from current users or investors. If available, find the issuer's public contact information to reach out for any inquiries. Verify the issuer's presence on social media platforms for additional credibility. Cross-reference findings with other crypto data aggregators to confirm consistency. By gathering this information, you can better understand the stability and reliability of the stablecoin issuer. Make sure to document your findings for future reference. This methodical approach will help you gain confidence in your investment decisions related to stablecoins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.